Tornado warning!
Weather Bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, central Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania until 1:30 p.m. At 1:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Vandergrift, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Vandergrift, Leesburg,
What are they doing?
Oklahoma, North Vandergrift, Hyde Park, Ernest, Eldon, Creek Valley, Plumville, Chiloctaw, Atwood, and Crooked Creek
I
Lake
don't
Park.
love it in Oklahoma.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Armstrong, and Indiana.